Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can hide rows and columns in Google Spreadsheet. Okay, for example, I'm just going to hide the column C. Just click on the column C and click on drop down here and select hide columns. So the column C has been hidden. And how to hide the rows in the same way. Select the rows you'd like to hide and right click, select hide rows here. So the rows has been hidden. So that's how to hide the rows and columns in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.